That's really good. Yeah, that could work. Oh, this could be the one, you know, guys. Could be the one. And also, if you can hear that outside, it's an absolutely horrible day. It's a Saturday, wife and kids are away this morning, so I thought I'd do a bit of messing around. Decided to have another go with the Achochas, and we'll try and make something different. If you haven't watched my Achocha jam video, give that a watch. See how I got on with that. But I've decided that Achocha jam probably isn't the way forward. So we're going to pick some of these, another basket full again of these Achochas, and see if we can make maybe a pickle, or I'm thinking maybe a relish with them. My plan is to have a look through some of the recipe books. I've been sent a few recipes by different people as well, and I might do it so that it's just a cucumber recipe, and we'll just substitute out the cucumbers for the Achochas. Now obviously there's not much weight to these, they're hollow, so I need to I'll pick a full basket, and it's still only going to make a couple of jars of chutney, but it might be quite good fun. My only concern is how much water these produced when I was stewing them up last time. So it's just whether that's an issue really. I kind of like how long I have to reduce it down for, how long it would take. So maybe I'll brine them first. Leave them in the brine overnight perhaps. Not sure yet. We'll play it by ear. So the polytunnel's supposed to be on a wet day like this though. There's no way I'm doing any gardening outside. Right, I picked probably the same amount as last time, but I've gone for a bit more of a variety of sizes, see how, because they kind of hollow out as they get bigger, so maybe I'll add a bit of bulk to the pickle, or relish, whatever I'm going to make. So I'm not sure really, so I'm going to prep all these up and go have a browse through some recipe books really, and see if we can try and make anything from it. But what I was going to try is I found on a blog from 2015, called Urban Veg Patch. They had like a little printable PDF of making a sweet Achocha pickle. Some of these larger ones, they've still got a bit of a white pith inside them. What I'm going to do is scrape out the inside. Okay, so we've got our 450 grams worth of Achochas. I haven't got a shallot, so we're going to use a red onion, which I'm going to dice quite finely. Also haven't got a fresh red chilli, but I've got a dried one. Let's go brine this for a couple of hours with a bit of salt. I'm going to mix around, should draw out the moisture, and then I'll wash it off afterwards. Okay, so it's produced quite a good little brine actually. See there from that. So I'm going to wash it off now. Vegetables strained, mainly Achocha. So we're going to put, it says to boil up the vinegar and the sugar. Doesn't look like enough of either, to be honest. I haven't got wine vinegar, so I'm using cider vinegar, and that's like 100 grams of sugar. So we're going to let the two go together and dissolve. Give ourselves a spoon. And I've got some jars in the oven sterilising. What we could do is pop in the kettle on to sterilise some lids. Okay, my sugar and vinegar is up to the boil. It's going to make the house smell lovely. Let's get this in here. Should reduce the temperature down. Oh, it does cover. We're going to cook that for 5 minutes now. So smaller Achochas I've left kind of in half. You see like that. I'm just trying different things out really, to see if the different textures make any difference. Forgot to add the spices. So I've got some ground ginger, tablespoon of mustard seeds. Oh, there's going to be someone here. Oh, I can smell the ginger now. Oh. Try not to lose the colour too much. The red onion looks quite nice actually. Right, so I'd say it's had a good 5 minutes, probably a bit more actually. I don't want it to get too soft, so I'm going to stop the clock. These are all piping hot, so ready to put stuff in there. Not sure the best way to do it. I think I'll use my... Oh. Now it's a little unfair to try a pickle this early. Obviously it needs time to kind of mellow out the flavours and stuff, but let's try a little bit, and it's hot. Yeah, no one wants to see a hot pickle really. We'll try. Oh wow, that's really good. Yeah, that could work. Yeah, that's kind of punchy. That's got some nice flavour to it. Oh, this could be the one, you know, guys. Could be the one. And this one's up the rest of it. I mean, that sugary vinegary flavour is really, really good. I think it's going to work really well for these. I actually think this is going to be good. It's not going to be a repeat the Achocha jam. So I'm going to wipe the tops now, put some lids on, and then pop it in the pantry, and we can leave it a week or so, and we can see what it tastes like. No, I'm not going for long-term storage, so I'm not going to bother canning these like I did with my cucumber relishes, but I think they'll be fine. What I might do is just leave them in the fridge. That makes them a bit safer. And I have been called a heathen before for not taking the labels off my jam jars, but sometimes I just don't care. Okay, so it's had 3 weeks, and I'm going to get my favourite taste testers to give it a go to see what it's going to taste like. So, guys, if you want to come around. The red onion's lost all its colour, actually. Thought you weren't going to do that. Right, you need a bit of the Achocha. I think that's what you need to have, okay? Whoa. Hang on then.
Not yet!
Take out your phone. What do you think? Tastes good. Go on then, Midlist, you'll try it? Oh, I need to try it as well. Get me a spoon. Now I've got to cut that out. I've got a baby spoon. What do you think?
It's very similar to your burger relish.
Yeah. Does actually, doesn't it? Yeah. So you like it? I think that really works.
Give it a thumbs up.
Right, so you guys all like it?
Yeah.
I think it's worth going Achochas for that.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Is that better than the Achocha jam?
The Achocha jam is tasty. Yes, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so there you have it. Achocha relish works brilliantly. It's a great use of using up the little fruits. Really tasty, really easy to make. I'm sure it'll store quite well as well. And it'll taste great on burgers or whatever you want to use it. That is a really, really tasty relish. I'm really pleased with that. And it's a great way to use them up. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoyed this. Like, subscribe. See you next time.